Steel City storm. Down here on the scene, the National Guard has been called in to Gary to start helping tear down some of these buildings, and we're out here checking it out. Seen it on the news, so I knew where they were at, so, you know, we're covering Gary, so I gotta come down here and check this out, right? Looks cool, man. They're tearing it all down. Check it out. I'm gonna walk down this way. Hopefully don't get shoot off across the street. There's one I seen on the news. They gutted it all out, they tore it all up, and they leveled it all down.